Hello viewers, today we are talk about Gustave Klimt's biography and paintings. Gustave Klimt was an Austrian symbolist, painter and one of the most prominent figure in the Art Nouveau movement. He is celebrated for his distinctive style characterized by intricate patterns and a fascination with the human figure. Klimer's work is renowned for its symbolism, ero- eroticism, and a captivating blend of tradition and innovation. Klimt was born on July 14, 1862, in a suburb of Vienna, Austria, during the height of the Habsburg Empire. He came from a modest background, and his early artistic talent were nurtured by his father, a gold engraver, and his brother Ernst, who also became an artist. This early exposure to decorative arts would significantly influence Klimer's future work. In 1883, Klimt, along with his brother and a friend, founded the Company of Austria, a collective dedicated to producing murals and decorative paintings. This marked the beginning of his career as a painter and a soon gained recognition for his talents. Klimer's early works were largely influenced by historicism and symbolism, reflecting the prevalent artistic movements of his time. By the late 19th century, Klimt began to experiment with his style, moving away from traditional artistic conventions. He embraced the principles of Art Nouveau movement characterized by sinuous lines, intricate details, and a fascination with nature and the human form. This shift in style marked a turning point in Klimer's career, and he began to receive commissions for decorative works, including mural paintings and ceiling forces. One of Klimer's most significant achievements was his role in the creation of the Vienna Sessions in 1897, in an art movement that aimed to break free from traditional academic art and promote innovative modernized style. Klimt became one of the founding members and served as its first president. This organization provided a platform for artists to exhibit their work and engage with the international art scenes. Klimer's works were not without controversy, as his unapologetic approach to eroticism and sensuality pushed the boundaries of the conservative society of this time. However, this controversy also contributed to his reputation and made him a central figure in Vienna's culture and artistic circles. Throughout his career, Klimt received numerous commissions for public artworks, including murals of the University of Vienna and the Bird. This work often showcases allegorical themes and featured his distinctive decorative style. He also collaborated with other artists and such as Joseph Hoffman and Coleman Masur in creating the opulent and groundbreaking stocklet fries, a decorative masterpiece in a private residence in Bursley's. Tragically, Clymer's life was cut short when he succumbed a stroke on February 6, 1918, at the age of 55. His death marked the end of an era, and his influence on modern art continued to grow. His work has left an indelible mark on the art world, inspiring generation of artists and continuing to the captivate art lovers worldwide. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.